Very good. So good afternoon, everyone. So I'm so sorry I wasn't able to conduct class last time because I'm too busy. So as promised, I'll be putting on all my energy today. So I'll do a share screen to your gem was proposed. Hindi ko masabtan. Oh my God. How about that? Sabtan ako. Jadi dia ako masabtan. Pwede. Muda ko kung nang ano dyan. Baby. Child. Kaya okay lang. Okay yan. Sige, dahil ako ako rin. Sige. Okay, so basahan ako ang kay so, budget management. So the problem is the management and distribution of SAP may be difficult in this situation, especially for older people. Use a barangay captain, resident staff. The features are SAP distribution will be implemented through a system. The residents will apply SAP through the system. The captain will approve, or the barangay captain will approve the application of the resident. The staff will distribute the SAP directly to the resident. Staff will use map pinpointing or coordinates to get exact location of the resident. Okay, I'll go first with residents will apply SAP to the system. In the current situation, how is SAP is being applied? Or how do people apply for SAP? Hindi mo ko aware. I-enlighten daw ko lang sa karoon na situation. Okay. I can wait.
Yeah. So, in the 21st century, we do not just look at topics as
Hi, Cynthia.
very abstract.
Ito na kita.
Especially sa supply and demand. Well, I think you really waited for this phase because it was a little bit of Pero, yeah, I understand. The supply and demand is younger than 4 years, 4 years. And we also do not understand why everyone that was because
You are now muted.
Nakalimot ko ba? Good chat. Kuan. 3 o'clock. Okay. Di karon ka ba meeting 3 o'clock? Okay. Nakalimot ko chat siya. Tuloy-tuloy mo class. Duman din. Ayun. Tuloy ka. Sige. Dali na. Wala akong may klase na po. Actually, 2 o'clock man ako klase po. Kasi na pa may charge siya. And then sa may tapos. 3 o'clock.
You are now unmuted.
Yes, Jamuel. Ang question is, currently, ginaunsa di ay pag-apply for SAP.
Alright, now let's go to the senior high school teacher, Mr. Yuso, helps
Mhm.
his class set up a webpage where they can collaborate on the research project.
So, resident to sa barangay. Tapos, dinain as
Made a
barangay
platform
resident.
for the class where they post materials and compare the sense. The teacher also
Mm.
uses the platform
So,
where
wala ang buhaton is that na ay barangay personnel na magkuha og listahan o sort of mag-nominate or mag-include sa pangalan sa residente o pwede ba siya mag-sub. So, obviously, correct me if I'm wrong, requirements for SAP kay dapat senior citizen na wala siya nadawat na wala senior citizens, wala fee, fee ba na siya? Wala pension, tama ko na? Oh yeah, pension, isa na siya. Isa pa man, walay trabaho. Kanya. So, i-filter na daan. So, actually, kuwaon na niyo, kung dito sa inyo hang katungkuan, itong base na system, di ba, na ba ito'y profiling dito, senior citizen ka, tapos wala kay trabaho, na ba yung anak dito? Kung sa inyong kuwan na ha, katong sa mother na system, main system, sige. Sige. So, dito sa main system nimo, kukuha na lang ka dito og kana data para mo filter na lang ka kinsa. Actually, kung sa imuhang proposed system, no need na to look for names kan isa-isa kada balay-balay. All you have to do, since registered naman sila, i-extract na nimo ang condition na senior citizen na walay pension o resident na walay pension. How about age? So may tabo no, daghang filtering may tabo no. Kung tayo sa isa ba ka pamilya, ila ka buok makadawat og SAP. O isa ra. So kana. So kinsa sa ila, kung tayo na ako'y pamilya, 5 mi kabuok. Upat sa ko ang member na trabaho. Ang isa wala. Ito bang isa, pwede ba ito siya mo-apply o kanyang kuan, SAP? Dahil 5 ang members, 4 na trabaho, isa wala.
But, to be honest, right now, students are having
Oo. So dapat ang head of the family ang mag-apply no.
20% of my students this semester is not included. Only 80% is included. Swear, I have to send YouTube tutorials about sending files. I have to post a message in person at PM. Kasi they want to go and sadly, ang daming students there is nagbabasa. The instructions are there, but they will still ask how do I send my files. But yes,
So, pinakadalian niya akong suggestion is that since dito sa inyong application for resident, dito sa mother na system, di ba, ma-declare man dito kinsa head of the family, tama? So, ang unang filter is that i-extract nimo tanang head of the family and then unang mo to siya first filter kanang head of the family extracted. Second filter is that kinsa among the head of the family ang pasok sa qualification for SAP. Muna to siya. Okay.
Mas maganda sana kung
Mas dali. No?
mas bako
Nga. So, walay lusot na kanang isa ka pamilya kay duha ang ma-qualify. It's because head of the family lang ikaw. Which is mo yun ang mo yun siya dapat ipa-base sa ruling.
It's very hard. Because a lot of you are modular learners. I don't know, maybe lang confused lang talaga yung bata in terms of
Sige.
modular learning.
The captain will approve the application. Okay na ni. Kay ma-approve naman niya. Kaya dali naman na filter naman. Staff will distribute the SAP directly to the residents. Staff will use the map pinpointing coordinates to the exact location of the resident.
So,
Okay ko ani.
you were able,
Okay ko ana. Kumbaga, isa po na kanaimuhang mapping system is isa na siya sa mahimong measure kung kinsa ba o pila na ba kabuo ang nahatagan sa. So, wala mag-color coding ka no, na kani sa resident A, wala siya kadawat. So, na siya certain color. The important thing of that, with that scheme is that pwede na siya adtuon sa barangay. So, pwede ka, actually ako ang naunaan ani is that i-cashless nimo ang ilahang SAP. Ganun. Para pag cashless no, pag dawat niya sa iyang SAP, then gi-confirm niya nga dawat niya, automatic sa map mo color green ba siya karon, mean to say okay na siya. So, para maiwasan po ang COVID contact, di na kailangan adto pa ang katong personnel sa barangay o adto sa kada balay para mag-distribute og SAP kay cashless na siya. Pwede sa GCash. So, lisod man sa GCash nga kung ano, connect pag i-embed nimo ang imuhang kwan sa GCash. So, pwede na i-enter na code katong resident, tapos i-enter niya sa imuhang system para confirmation na nadawat niya ang iyang ayuda. Ikuan. So, adto ta karon sa budget nimo. Kung man to siya, distribution man to siya o kaning SAP. Dahil to. So, benefits. Residents no longer required to go outside and apply for planning. Oh. Nawala imuhang concept sa budget management.
When you're in the classroom kasi diba, of course, it's a
Actually, di siya misleading kay katong imuhang process ng paghatag sa SAP, so on and so forth. That is just part of it. Pero, dapat makit-an sa imong system asa padulong ang ilahang SAP na nadawat. Pila ka ni madawat na SAP gani?
Your attention. Number one, we cannot hold your attention for so long, for 1 hour. Especially for us, kayo, the older the younger learners, we cannot hold your attention for too long. But unlike in the regular classroom, sabi na ganyan ang klase ng dati na kapak na yun ang pila. Here na po ang mga basa right now. Kung saan na nagpapatawa sa mga right now. See you. Know what you are.
Okay, wala po. Isa ka mag-promote 4K to 2K. Kanya no. So, kanimo actually, gwapo na ito yung mga mapping system. But I think, malisod na kaya na upuhan ng innovation. Para mapasok mong budget, dapat makitaan nila karon na ano ilang 4K o 2K o 2K pila na dawat nila, nakatabang siya sa ilahang pamilya. So, ang kada ipasok ni mo to kung silang daily expenses plus the income sa ilahang pamilya plus dito sa ilang nagdawat sa so dako ba siya tapang. Okay, we wanted na imuhang kaning applic mo add-on maka-realize sa mga residente na they still need to work, they still need to help themselves by having a job. Di dapat silang maasa sa government. Inaana dapat
it's not about doing more school anymore, but of course having time to class of more school is important. It's not just about writing the more school.
yes, tama. That's correct. So dapat mosulod ilahang mga expenses and then their income sa family. Tapos i-minus siya dito sa expenses. Tapos ang expenses minusan siya dito sila nadawat na sa. So dito may balaan ko. Ang pamilya ba is na-manage ba o taro? So muna ito, makapasok mo budget management. Okay, basic man good, kinakabutang with corruption dari o. This is very good as well. Anti-corruption. Because all money received by the barangay and distributor will be recorded, even the resident will confirm the amount received. Aside from that, it will also going to lessen or eliminate corruption within the family. Kaya naman ko'y uban mang good na idawat og sap, pero gigasto siya sa mali na paraan. So dapat kato siya mahitabo ato kung wari inani imong ginabuhat na nagdawat kag sap pero gigasto nimo sa mali, next time di na makadawat og sap kaya na-violate naman nimo to, di ba? Ingana ka significant imuhang iPhone. So, in other words, kung manggamay, duha na siya kainan na well, manggamay dapat ang kanang kuan, ang hataganan og sab tungod kay, number 1, ma-realize nila nga kailangan nila magtrabaho. Diba, kung magtrabaho siya, mawala, matanggal na siya sa SAP, dapat walay work. So, magtrabaho siya, realize niya, matay ng SAP, bila 2K, 4K, dili makaya sa kabulan. Magtrabaho ko. So, matanggal siya kang sa SAP. Next, matanggal siya sa SAP, kay wala na manage o tarong iyaha budget. Pagkatong nahatag, nadawat niya ang ilida. Ang effect anak karon, the lesser makadawat kung sa mas daghan pag matabangan sa laing lugar or sa laing nga paraan. Diba? And then, it will encourage everybody to work, not just to wait for the blessing or God's ayuda. Sige, paki-update lang imong panha, imong proposal. So I'll now go to Tejo's.
Okay. So right now, because now you are
very COVID tracker. Problem, wrong information about COVID cases. Struggle in contact tracing. User by the captain, staff, residents. Residents na ha, the residents. Feature, global stats or barangay area stats, global stats of COVID cases, if you know the various strategies, health survey information.
or not depressed, quite lonely. Classmates, but it's really an individual choice from your
Oh,
end.
nandiyo kay problema ani Cynthia. Kani gani,
Bahala ng system for you, I believe.
this is actually,
It's not like, bahala na, whatever happens.
na naman na siya data, di ba? Nakuha niyo sa World Health Organization, sa DOH, sa local government. And actually po, daghan na kaayo po mga health survey or nahitabo mga kanukuan, kaning data. Pero ang problema ani karon, unsay kalahian nimo sa katong ilaha nga dito magyapon ka mokuha og data from those organization. Asa dila napitang innovation.
Let us now go to activity 1 after our group test. Let me read the instruction. Read and analyze each of the following
Remember
instructions.
we are talking about innovation here.
Who among the
Ang nasabtan na ko sa imong feature is that makuha ka og data from global stats, mag-conduct of health survey, kung naay security information. But let's go to the global stats. Makuha ka dito just to inform the community na muna niya siya ang nagtabo. So, ang question ako kalakuna, unsay difference ana nga feature dito sa mga existing na global stats. Unsay asa dapat lang gi-innovate ni
Charity or Vince, who can decipher the activity. The instructional situations are these. How is this number 1 situation in tune with 21st century education? Yes. Yes, very good. No, this is what we call nowadays as immersion. They are immersed in really the real life, in the real life. It's not just the real life scenario or situation. They really are there. But of course, ano lang, just to remind you, don't do this without parental consent. And then you feel that that's it. But you can do this.
Madalagang Pilipina kaya kung sa maingat sila easy to get
It's
po.
not
You are
then
now muted.
why not?
Easy to get po
Rather
pero
than showing them what the TV screen or from the laptop is projected on the wall. If there is a
You are now
chance
unmuted.
ilang survey survival record na nila sa
to a certain area,
Yeah.
why not? All the
Okay,
drivers-
normally man dyan, di ba, ang tabo is that
Disregarding the pandemic right now.
automatic naman na siya. Supposed to be, pag naay kanakwan, pag naay infected sa barangay, automatic i-count na siya karon. Oo. So, ang kwan nila is from the barangay, gisubmit siya sa national o local na data storage. But, yung say difference, I don't, sige na, i-convince na ko daw, pasabot sa ko, yung say difference sa imuha, innovation, yung proposal, sa existing na mga kuan, mga application. Okay, remember you are just getting or curating data from national or local government. Kaya imposible man dyan no nga, ikaw mismo ang mo or nais someone, a user, na mulibot-libot sa barangay to get those data. Illegal man na siya. Okay, confidentiality regarding the COVID cases. Magay na dili siya pangalanan. So, kung sa barangay na siya karon ibutang, asa man na siya mag-connect, asa man mo siya ihatag. Okay, we are not talking about kung diin siya SAT. Okay, kung existing na ni siya nga system sa barangay, ayo siya himuaog kanang kuan, ayo siya himuaog automated system. Okay, kana siya, it's already SAD na siya nga kuan, but we are not naman to sa capstone project, so we are now looking for innovation. What's new with your side?
Learners just listen to you. Are these learners active or passive learners? What do you think? Okay, they become kids because they are in order. But remember, one theory or one principle in learning, the more when students are just passive, they just listen to you, only 10% are retained in his or her memory. So what is our goal right now in the 20%? Students must be able to expand the information or demonstrate or do something with what they have learned so that they are able to be more familiar with the concept rather than just listening. So this one is very not 21st century. Thank you so much, Liz. Next, number 3. Mr. Cruz collaborated with his co-teachers on a thematic unit about planet Earth. In math, the students were tasked to downscale the Earth size using manageable measurements. In arts, they were tasked to sketch the planet as downscaled. In English, they were assigned to write a brief but concise description of the planet in their own words. Is this 21st century education or not?
So, katuha, balikan ako. Sige, while you're thinking, I'll read first I'll continue reading with the benefits. Benefits niya, they keep you updated with notifications you can trust, help carry out contact tracing, avoid getting infected with coronavirus, reduce the risk of transmission, less contact with people. So, kanina bandiri are, benefits siya, but kanina dali ko mo focus sa keep you updated with notifications you can trust. So, meaning to say, dili na to, dili trusted post sa local government, mag-check sa kulay.
We can see here the collaboration of different subjects. There is math, then there is arts, and there is also English. So it's an interdisciplinary it's an interdisciplinary approach towards learning about planet Earth. And why is this 20%?
I have here
Students here only activities rather than being asked what reading is important right now. My gosh, so reading is important, but more than reading, demonstrate
share na ko ni
different activities, but also learning that these different activities are actually
Ani. I just typed in COVID update and it gave me statistics as of real-time statistics. This is 40 minutes ago, for updated less than 40 minutes ago. So it's not really Davao region. So Davao region, we have 4,040 na total cases. We have 2,892 na recovered. We have 106 deaths. So how about this one? Is this not reliable, or Kani siya, gikan siya sa
sustainable na
daily stats, COVID, coronavirus po, digit din siya. So, kanya.
of course,
So,
we're not asking them to create a garden,
If
but we're asking them like,
ako, kung saan ako siya pagkuhan na dili siya legit. So, let's look for another
dalawa ang kanyang experiment. One is one with fertilizer and the other plant has no fertilizer. In terms of seeds,
sino ko ito na i-out-out.
they have to really monitor the growth of this plant. So sa amin, from the English part, so that's the science yung experiment. Sa amin is more on the reporting and the realization. Ito yung right and based on the legislation law. So for us, it's an expository essay regarding what we did in our science and
Data, volume platform,
so
data,
collaborative, hindi rin nagkalilahi ko
SPMC, consultation advisory. See what can we have here.
hopefully, so far, okay pa man ang mga nagawa na namin na responses. So, it's 20%. We have to make students understand that subjects are not isolated.
Yeah.
They are interconnected. Math is not
Yeah.
isolated. Social studies, hindi lang siya social studies. We talk Filipino there. We talk about arts. We talk about so many other things in a social studies class. We can also talk about mathematics in social studies because of the computations. For example, so my now, note that's clear. We go to the last. Mixer samples assisted the students in setting up a simple language showcase how children from each tradition show respect to their parents. Through this, students were able
Honey,
to connect with students from different
we have here until October 18th, that was yesterday. We have around 294 active case or newly positive as of October 18. This is from the SPMC. So, I mean, there are a lot of resources for coronavirus. But how can we say that there are that your proposal is way better or innovative compared to these kaniwalag announcements? Yeah, saan may pag-evaluate? Do you have an evaluation tool for that? Can you provide one? Remember how you're now making an innovation. Do you have an evaluation tool to know this, to support your proposal?
Yeah, and joke lang po is
Okay, when you say evaluate, kung saan siya pag-evaluate, are you trying, wala akong nakagets sa evaluation yun. Are you trying to look at the frequency sa isa ka case or sa COVID case sa isa ka lugar?
Thank you so much, Vince. I like
Kumaga, mo ka nga sa Turil, ang ani ka paspas nagataas o nagababa ang cases. Something like that, or I don't know.
Facilitated what the students were doing. They probably monitored also what the students have been doing in their probably assignment or performance. Which is very correct. I like that. Maybe when we are teachers or teachers right now, we should be able to only assist and not like give the it's not a school teaching method right now, but it's really on empowering the students also in what they do. And the teachers just take it back. Teachers will monitor if they are still on the right track or not, because student center doesn't mean wala kasi teacher na off na teacher. But the student center education means the teacher is just a monitor, is just a guide on the side and stay.
Kung napagkalinturan sa padala,
It's more on just assisting
ha?
students in their own lives.
Kung napagkalinturan sa padala dahil sila,
If they are very good. So all
walang nalayo na imong kuan. Nalayo na imong proposal ana Cynthia because ani ka na kung proposal ha. Proposal nimo is that global stats, city global stats of the COVID cases and now the real stats of your own city barangay, less contact to COVID cases, allow as a health survey, allows anonymous registration personal information, no face mask contact, wala siya din sa imong kuhan. Find out if it should be called a doctor or not. I mean, okay, do you have any idea that self-evaluation now, this point, is very dangerous? Do you know why? There are a lot of cases that shouldn't be tagged or diagnosed as COVID, but since they submitted themselves to the hospital because they thought that they do have the symptoms of COVID, na-appeal sila sa COVID na active cases. Actually, that's one of the theories on why is it that taas ang COVID cases karon because na ay na-appeal na dili siya supposed to be COVID case. And something could na, or somehow some hospitals declared a death or a case as COVID instead of declaring it as mass sickness. I mean, ang medyo malabo sa kuwas ng magkuhan is that what's the purpose of getting data from the World Health Organization, from hospitals, kung sa'y gamit ito siya na data, ay mo akong sa kuwaha, mo akong nasabtan diri sa imuhang feature, global stats or barangay real stats. Para asa, kung tayo na nakoy data, o kung ipakita ganyan na nakoy data, kung saan din ako to. Para asa to siya, kinsay mo gamit ato. Kung mayroon ko kapod na para mabalaan sa residente sir, pila ni statistics, kung ako ang resident, for example, yung ani, nagpanaon ako, sa Davao Region di ay nanay 4,040. What's next? Kumbaga, unsay may tabo sa sunod, kung tayo nakabalo ko nga 4,040 na ang cases sa Davao Region. Unsay buhaton ako as resident? Would that change my life? Kumbaga, pamingkog 4,400 na. So, dapat kaupat na kumahugas sa kamot. Yeah. So, ana good. So, I don't know how. If you want to push with this, so far for me, it's not yet approved. Kumbaga, I'm still skeptical with your proposal. It's because, number one, ang imong gusto is i-notify residents or ang community regarding the legitimate or real na data for COVID-19 cases para walay ma-mislead, walay ma-mislead kato. Now the question is, once I already know the data about COVID-19 cases, actually in Davao Region, what will happen next? Kumbaga,
that's a new environment of learning, and that's really something it's very new, especially right now. And you'll have to stumble plan. I mean, for that, because it's one of the
that's the catch there. Sige, I'll wait for your improvement or an update for your proposal sa inyong forum. Kaya move now to Teresa.
pasok sa for activity number 3. I would like to know, don't feel that I would like to know an animation
Arrest COVID
from your
monitoring
end.
problem. Self-monitor for rules and regulation of COVID-19, social distancing, wearing masks, face shield, liquor ban, curfew, food and medicine usage. Okay. Feature COVID monitoring. Report a resident that has violation. Restore every family information in the barangay.
I'd like to know from your end. Let's start with James.
Record every recent close, sends update and notification online with the COVID stats with barangay. Okay, Kanisha, Mary, sends an update notification online often of the COVID stats within the barangay. Is this going to be a kanang focusing on the stats sa barangay ng ninyo? Okay, COVID control messages. COVID control. Kanilang. Sige. Report a resident that has violation or any rules taking the answer. Sige. Ako ang kwan ani is that okay siya. Okay na siya ng idea nga mag-report ka. Ato ang another risk. Okay, risk. First is you have to know the protocol. Okay, this is for your next update nimo sa imong proposal through the forum. Okay. Currently, ginaunsa ba siya pag-report sa violators? Especially, okay, ganyan situation. Mask. Nagsuot kag mask, and then, for example, ako, mag-isip yung ginahawa pag magsuot kag mask wala baktas. So, kunwari, naman yung tayo no face mask, no face shield, actually, wag city ordinance na siya. Pagtanggalan ba na ko siya, then i-report na ko nimo, or natanggal na ko siya for a while, is that going to be a violation ba yun? Na. Karon, kung ako tong nag-violate daw, kung saan ako karon pagdepensa sa akong sarili, or how will I be notified that I am already violating or I was already reported sa kinaukulan. Kung sa man na siya, i-report ba rin ko sa police or barangay level lang sa.
Thank you so much, Chris. So, for you, we're gearing towards
Kung ma-report na ko, kung sa man ang may tabo sa kuha.
I don't know right now. So, hopefully, we can push to be there with your needs. So, quality is teacher ng pag-iins of Philippines, sa
Yeah, iso dyan ginahawa
What
dahil.
about you?
Wala ko mamatay. Kung naminaw na dyan ko, di ko mamatay ini sa COVID. Sigba ko lang, mamatay ko sa face mask. Oo, ana. So, kada, notice, nindot good siya. Napa ko isa napansin ha, regarding the face mask, what is the standard face mask? Is it full siya na face mask? Napa uban, wala siya visor lang? I mean, kung sige dahil siya, uban po, napansin ninyo, ang uban kay instead na face mask, kay kanagaling warag hoodie, warag anagod ka na warag, supposed to be ka ng bonnet siya, hindi nabutangan siya dali, warag sa driver sa pan.
Uy, English teacher.
I don't know ang say standard jud, and how can that be sabi ka mga mapatawan o kanang violation. And have you heard anyone na nakuan siya, na nakulong siya or nakamuta siya because of the face shield? Maybe I heard someone or gamay lang ang cases pero naho nakita nag-violate wala man pwede ako na ang problem na ko sa mga kuan Mary application proposal is that maundang ang gamit sa inyong application after na report. Okay, nganong kay Jamal din na kay na-approve na po siya. Ang kay Jamal, klaro, na siya katong budget, ay na siya itong SAP application, which is filtering, magamit yun ang system. Ayun yung kalimtiha, magamit dapat ang mother system. So, moto na siya mag-extract siya of data from the system sa mga tanan ng mga head of the family. So, gamit ang main system. I-filter niya karon unsa ang katong murag profile sa head of the family. Na ba siya trabaho o wala? Senior citizen ba siya? Na nagadawat og pension or wala? Kung nakapasar siya, pasok siya sa SAP. After that is mag-monitor karon o magkaroon o recording of the usage or giun sa paggamit ang SAP because of the budgeting. Kato siya nga data, katong income sa family plus the nakuha sa SAP i-minus dito sa ilang expenses, malabay ito siya dito sa system niya pagbalik. In other words, nagamit siya all throughout ng yung mother system. So, ano dapat magandang proposal? So, can we do that? Is it okay that Mary and Cynthia magunahon at maglahi?
How will this be related with life? Those only happen when I was already or 14 or 30 years ago. I wouldn't say it was individual learning because there were a lot of individual learning back then. But right now, 20% aside from it's more collaborative and communicative. It's really about learners and integrated towards
Okay, I have several ideas. Unsa ba ang nawala ng mga unsa ba affected na area sa COVID-19? Say for example, kataganan tamo pa na clue. Sa COVID-19, daghan kung nawalaan og trabaho. So, kung saon kay ninyo para makatabang inyong application, inyong add-on na dili mawala ang trabaho or at least man lang na ay income ang mga residente sa barangay. Ang kay Jamuel Manggod iyaha, mag-determine siya karon kung unsa ang gasto sa kada pamilya. Pero wala sa iyaha yung feature na mahatag o trabaho. Saon niya siya karon. Pwede na siya yung innovation. So try to think about that. That's one. Another thing is we have already SAP, then work. Okay. Ang isa po is
different pictures, but it has become experience, and these experiences are not just for pasa-pasa for compliance.
O, ibutan na to kanang kuan karon. Kanang distance education.
To address a problem
Unsa ba inyuhang nahuna-unaan na makatabang na application for distance education. Clue, ang kasagaran nagreklamo karon mga dili estudyante but ang mga ginikanan kaya naglisod sila o tudlo sa module. Pero sa kadako sa barangay, unsay matabang sa community for this particular problem. Kana. Kaya kung maghunahuna magutag katong kuan, kung dito ta mismo sa na katong kuan ang magnita og survey kung warag kinsa nagsakit or ana, warag for me lang ha, warag risky siya kay warag giduol nimo mong sarili sa sakit. Whereas if you try to look at other aspects in our community in connection with the COVID-19 pandemic, I think that could be helpful. Diba? Pwede po source of food. Kunwari, sa barangay namo, kinsa ba dira karon ang naing-ani nga source of food? Siya bayanihan. Example po kaning kuan, kaning about plantitos and plantitas. How can you create a network within your barangay sa inyong common interest? See? Daghan kaayo. Dili lang siya about direkta sa kaning mga cases sa COVID-19. There are a lot. Okay? So if you want, ingani siya, you can, para mag-guidean mo, kung sa pa'y dapat, you can go to 17 sustainable gani siya.
It's not just technology, but it's really more on different skills. Okay, so aside from that, we also have new process of learning. But before I go on, Mary Kay also has a teacher answer. It says, based on the teacher,
I think ako ni siyang na-discuss last year sa inyo, but I have to go back to this. You have here 17 sustainable goals. Kanya.
So for you, siguro 50-50 si Mary Kay as teachers, some teachers are still traditional.
Kana 17 sustainable goals, you can actually, diba, dili naman mo sa kuwan kani gender equality na naman ani pasok na. So, katong zero hunger, zero poverty, and all nyo diri asa ba banda ang pwede nyo pagkuhaan o kanang motivation for you to be able to come up with a proposal. So kani siya importante, kani siya kay para guided mo. Now, stay away. Ako sa inyo ha, since we have limited na kanang kuan, limited ato ang panahon o kanang liho sa pag-conduct o kanang research outside our households, look for a sustainable goal, a goal na kuan siya, workable siya, doable. Okay? So that,
in terms of new process of learning, teachers are able to use many modes.
so for Mary and Cynthia, I'll be asking you to update your proposal. For Jamwell, the next thing you have to do is to present to me dito gyapon sa forum ha. I-prove sa ko ang imong idea is innovative. You need to say kakaiba siya sa existing na systems. At least one innovation.
what do we do now as teachers? Teachers are expected to improve their students' knowledge and skills and attitudes by involving them more in dialogues and discussions. So the teacher is not only the fountain of knowledge here, but she is a mediator, the fountain of knowledge which comes actually from the learners. The teacher always has questions as well. And please go ahead and get some kind of qualities about that. Now, of course,
Okay.
you need to
Sige.
as a teacher,
You can still, okay, you can still propose the same. You still have pila ka days naman, no? But if in case gani medyo kanang dili jud masing ka mo maglisod jud mo, better yet propose a different one or at least na may backup na duha or isa. Okay ba na? Sige. Okay. So kato ha, i-base inyong proposal sa 17 sustainable goals para di kayo malibog. You can read. I already gave you the links to 17 sustainable development goals. So try to read about that. Okay? So kung wala na question, again, we'll talk more about this in sa inyong forum. So I will not close the forum. So just keep posting your updates sa forum ninyo kada isa sa inyo, ha? Then stay safe, ha? Then see you next time. Okay? Bye-bye.
So kalahati, the teachers should not be so far away from the students. If techno savvy and